Hi guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing hip airplanes. All right, so this is a really great warm-up for our hips and glute activation to prepare us on our lower body days. So what we want to do is we want to choose a foot and we are going to just stand. I have a hard time balancing while doing these, and I have good balance. So holding on to something can be extremely beneficial. What we're going to do is we begin with a closed hip. So we're going to just lean over that front leg. We want to keep our back in extension. This rounded back is not as active as we could be, so we want to keep the back in extension. This is going to fire the glute of the standing leg, and then this back leg, if it's active, you will be able to balance easier. So we start with our closed hip, and by closed hip, this hip right here, this hip bone of the leg that is in space is aimed towards the floor. And then we move into our open hip. So now that hip bone is open to the outside, back into this closed position. Remember, this back leg, when it's active, balance will be easier. Take your time, move slowly, assist yourself with balance, and work on those hip airplanes. So if you are looking to be part of a program that is going to include really great activation exercises to help you feel amazing in your workouts, then sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.